We're back in Georgetown at Deep Sea Sugar and Salt, a shop that serves delicious cakes by the slice. With fresh local ingredients and unique flavor combinations, these cakes have people lining up daily.
So we drive down here from Capitol Hill just for cake.
It's amazing. The London fog is my favorite.
I don't even share anymore. I can't decide either, so I buy 2 or 3 and I eat them all.
Owner and baker Charlie created this welcoming space as a place where visitors can feel like they're in her home enjoying a luscious piece of cake.
It feels very like farm to table-y. It also feels like what it would be like if your mom was cooking in a bigger space.
So what are some of the cakes that are super popular here?
The London Fog is probably the most popular. The chocolate salted caramel is a big hit too.
Do you have a favorite?
I like anything pistachio and the carrot pineapple brown butter.
Yum. That sounds good too. They all sound good. So what are we gonna make?
We are gonna make a raspberry ricotta olive oil cake.
So we're gonna attempt
this. It's a ricotta olive oil cake with cream cheese frosting and then a bunch of beautiful fresh raspberries that I got at the market last night.
It doesn't get better than that.
It doesn't.
And this is the biggest mixing bowl I've ever seen in my life.
It's a big batch of cake. It's gonna end up making about 22 layers.
Our first step is to mix together flour, baking soda, salt, and baking powder. Then in a separate bowl, we add the wet ingredients.
And we have 40 eggs here.
Oh, you're actually gonna make me do this?
I am, yep.
I don't know about this.
Just like that.
While I'm whisking the eggs, Charlie pours in the olive oil.
This is 10 pounds
Oh my gosh.
of ricotta.
That's a lot of ricotta.
It's a lot of ricotta. And this, I would break down with my hands.
Yeah.
Just so
Because it's fun.
it's fun. And the whisk, it's just not, it splashes pretty easily. So this way you can really get in there.
That's awesome.
Once all of our wet ingredients are mixed together, we add them to the dry ingredients.
Okay.
So
I'll
we're
take your
just
lead.
gonna-
Show me what to do.
Fold all this together.
Kind of zen-like, right?
It's really
Sometimes
nice.
when you get into it.
In the morning, in the sunshine, with some
I
music,
love
just making
it.
cake.
A little Ozzy Osbourne.
That's some early morning music, huh?
Some early morning. That's funny.
Next, we fill our cake pans and put them in the oven.
So our cakes are ready. What's
Yep.
next?
So
What do we
we're
do?
gonna knock them out of the pan with the torch.
And that sounds exciting.
Flip these guys over.
What does the torch do?
So when you let your cakes cool in the pan, it preserves basically the integrity of the cake. With the torch, you just heat the bottom, give it a little tap, and they
Wow.
fall right out.
And it's beautiful.
Yeah.
Then, Charlie cuts the cake layers in half and we're ready to frost and decorate.
So then you're gonna take your hot spatula, hot water,
Okay.
and just spread it just over the edge. And a trick with the spatula too when you're spreading, if you make it a rule never to lift your spatula up and only touch the frosting, that'll, you can avoid crumbs
crummy,
getting in
which
your
I got
in your
a little
frosting.
bit.
No one will notice. They'll be too excited about the raspberries
They'll be
to
like,
know.
"Yep."
We add fresh raspberries on top of the frosting and continue to do layers until we've reached the top. Then we garnish it with a few more raspberries.
But here's our slice
Wow,
here.
look at that.
All right.
Look at all those beautiful raspberries.
I know.
Thank
wanna
you. What
taste
a,
that?
Yeah. Shall we?
It's pretty good, huh?
It's heaven. I mean, you don't need anything more than this.
Right.
Thank you so much.
Absolutely.
That was so fun.
Thank you for coming by. It was great.
I'll practice. I know
You
some
don't
good
need-
tips
you
now.
know. You got it.
Thank you so much. This is delicious.
You're welcome.
To get the recipe for Deep Sea Sugar and Salt's Raspberry Ricotta Olive Oil Cake, visit wagrown.com.